There you go.
All right, we got to do a coolant pressure tester. Cap is 15 pounds. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's between the 15 and the 16 or 17.
Probably, yeah.
Yep. So,
Is it holding?
seems like it. So stay. Just in case. Seemed like it was on this side, huh? Is it dripping at all?
No, but yeah, it's on the left side, that leak. I did notice that one of the hoses was wet down there. I don't know if you can see it from here.
That hose.
I think it's that one right there. The first one.
Little hose?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be a trans line. So we gotta make sure we
The
put
hose
that.
clamp was wet.
Okay, so when we put it back up, we better check that. So definitely, if he's losing some oil, then we got some oil gaskets in the front. I can see it's wet. Or that looks like coolant though, which is crazy because I don't know if you can see it. If you come from right here.
Oh yeah. Focus.
There you go. So maybe only leaks when it's running. Or if that's the case, then because it's going down, but I don't see any drips.
Nothing more than all the oil was spilled.
Yeah. So that's a trip. So let's do that. Bring that up. Pump that. Or here. Sorry.
I don't have 3 hands.
Okay, that's there. Okay, we're just above 16. Just above it. Nothing's spilling out. Out there. On the side of the radiator. Nothing's dripping. How the oil seem like when it came out?
Fine. Didn't
Yeah,
smell
just
weird
like,
or anything.
Just like that oil?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I mean, this is the oil from it.
yeah, it just looks dirty. Actually, not even that bad. I'm surprised. No, not the South Main. A lot of times, people, when they don't drive a certain car all the time, the oil will get really dark, really dirty. Because they may change it once a year.
It's a nice, like, normal color.
Yeah, but that was actually pretty nice. So this is where the thermostat housing is. It's not wet. It's not dripping over here. There's a heater core. I can see those going across. Those aren't wet. The other spot we can try is on the floorboard, which we'll try once we roll it back, see if it, because it'll be wet no matter what. Nothing's coming from the radiator. Nothing's coming from the hoses. I bet whenever, like, maybe a water pump situation is going on right there is what's causing it. I have to look it up, see how this water pumps ran, because I only see, I'm guessing that
It's dropping, though.
yeah, a little bit, not by much. I'm guessing this is the water pump here. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know everything about every car. I'm gonna look it up before I actually tell, Bobby, hey, it's this, it's right here. But seeing how it's wet right there, and I bet you when it runs, there's a little seep hole. When the water pump starts going back, it'll start dripping. It's a 50-50 chance if it only does when it's running or when it's sitting. I've had both. So, in the way it's kind of going down very slowly, but I just don't understand where it's going. I didn't drop that much. So it might be this here.
Yeah.
But, you know, maybe I'll take this off. Maybe we'll do another or we'll start it up. Because you never started it up after the oil change, right?
No.
Okay, so we can start it up, let it run for a little bit. Maybe you'll see where it's leaking from there. And once we have that, we'll do another video. All right, guys.
Later.